Slips, trips, and falls in the workplace are one of the leading causes of injuries and lost workdays. By maintaining our work environment, as well as wearing proper work attire, we can prevent many of these unfortunate accidents. Here are some things to consider to keep your workplace safe from slips and falls. Spills. Spills are one of the leading causes of slips and falls, and we must treat them like hazards. If you spill something, or see a spill, clean it immediately, report it to your supervisor, or place a warning sign next to it. On that note, it's important to have mops and warning signs in easy-to-access locations. If you don't know where to find them, ask your supervisor. If you're the person in charge, check to make sure they're available and let your team know where to find them. Organize work area. Your work area should be organized and free of clutter or objects that can cause a trip. Keep objects or cords and cables out of the aisleway or places you and your coworkers walk. You might be aware of these objects because you're used to seeing them every day, but someone else who is unfamiliar with the area may not see them and trip. Beware of ice. Make sure that ice and snow removal contractors are planned in advance of winter weather. Prepare surfaces with an approved de-icer, calcium chloride or rock salt or sand, to help improve traction. Talk to your manager about de-icers. Make sure that pedestrian footpaths, driveways, ramps, and parking lot surfaces are cleared. Watch for refreezing of snow or water, and keep a lookout for black ice, which can go unnoticed. Constantly check surfaces where you and customers are driving and walking. Wear proper attire. And of course, make sure you're wearing good slip-resistant shoes. They should be in good condition. And never wear heels higher than 2 inches. And of course, always be aware. Don't allow distractions to put you in harm's way. So there you have it. It all seems like common sense, and that's because it is. Keeping these preventative procedures in mind will save a lot of injuries and lost workdays.